Ganesh Natarajan and have raised the GRDIS Gurukul School of Vedic Studies. We are going to learn Sri Lalita Trishati today. We are an inclusive group and we specially encourage women to chant. If you wish to join our group, you're most welcome. However, you need to have an inclusive mindset, and in order to join us, you need to go to our website www.grdis.com, and right at the bottom of the website, on the home page of the website, you'll see two links. One is for our class forum, for which you need to download Telegram app and then click the link to join our forum. And the second is the registration form that you need to register. You need to register in both places. Thank you. So, dear friends, we are going to learn Sri Lalita Trishati. A couple of things about Sri Lalita Trishati. So, Lalita Trishati is regarding the 300 names of Sri Lalita Tripura Sundari. Most of us would have heard of Lalita Sahasranamam, that is 1,000 names of Lalita Tripura Sundari. This is Trishati, 300 names of Lalita Tripura Sundari. There is, the rule is for chanting Lalita Trishati, at least initiation in Panchadashi mantra is required. Actually, Panchadashi mantra initiation is required for Lalita Sahasranamam also, because you will see it in a coded way. For those people who take any text, for example, from Mantra Pushpam book, you will not find Panchadashi mantra. So Panchadashi mantra has 3 strings. They are called 3 kutas. Kuta means a string. Kutam, like a collection. So in Mantra Pushpam book, you will not find the Panchadashi mantra. It is indicated indirectly as Srimad Vagbhava Kutam, Madhya Kutam, Shakti Kutam. These 3 strings actually indirectly refer to the 3 strings of the Panchadashi mantra. So there are many people who chant Lalita Sahasranamam using Srimad Vagbhava Koteti Bijam, Madhya Koteti, right, and Shakti Koteti, without understanding what they are doing. In fact, if you listen to the Challakere brothers audio also, you will find this. It is not that they do not know about it, but generally it is said that the Panchadashi mantra, or generally any mantra, should not be chanted aloud. Okay, so it is in a coded way. But many people chant Lalita Sahasranamam, which is welcome. Strictly speaking, the rule applicable to Lalita Trishati is equally applicable to Lalita Sahasranam. So Panchadashi mantra initiation is required, just like Navakshari mantra initiation is required for Devi Mahatmyam. But over a period of time, tradition and through popular practice, it has come to be accepted that Lalita Sahasranamam can be chanted without Panchadashi mantra. But for Lalita Trishati, you must have Panchadashi mantra. In fact, very rarely will you find people chanting Lalita Trishati. You will find people chanting Lalita Sahasranamam. The Panchadashi mantra is encoded in the Lalita Trishati. I cannot reveal here as to how it is coded. We will talk about it when the time comes. So there are many devotees who ask the question, can I chant Lalita Trishati? The question is, can you chant Lalita Sahasranamam? So if you can chant one, why not the other, is my argument. And there can be very well qualified pundits and everybody coming out with their orthodox views and so on and so forth. But we are taking a very simple view. My view is, you are attending the class because Devi meant you to attend the class. You are not somewhere else. Similarly, those watching online are not watching something else. They were meant to watch and they were meant to learn. So if you keep chanting Lalita Sahasranamam and if you chant the Trishati, chances are that you will get into the right group and you will find the teacher and the guru that is meant to come and initiate you, and you will get the initiation. The logic is very simple. Having said that, let us also be clear on another thing. Whenever you chant mantras, whenever you chant powerful mantras, they cause churn within you. Okay. So you'll see you can possibly see some changes. Let me give you an example. Suppose you want to go to a gym. Why do you want to go to a gym? You want to build a body. Correct? So suppose you have never exercised. Did you feel any pain? You didn't feel any pain. When you didn't exercise, you didn't feel any pain. You're just sitting on the couch, eating, watching a movie, going to the office, coming back, sleeping. No pain, right? Peaceful. But the moment you want to have a good body, you go to the gym and you work out, what happens? Lactic acid forms, body pains. And now you start saying, oh my God, my body is paining. The gym is horrible. Is that a good explanation to say that the gym is horrible and it's causing my body pain? The gym workout is causing change in your body for the good. If you keep at it, after some time, you'll get used to it and you'll find that your body starts to develop. So, dear friends, the spiritual path also, when you take on powerful mantras, it will cause some churn. Some could be good and there could be some other events happening. These are inexplicable and usually I never wish to connect any happening to chanting of mantras and so on and so forth. But you have to understand that your spiritual elevation is happening. And when a spiritual elevation is happening, there will be some churn. So not everything can be hunky-dory. So when it happens, it is meant to teach you, to make you progress. What exactly those changes can be, I do not know. And even if such changes happen, I want you to take it very casually. It's part of your life. Nothing is permanent. Everything is transient. And it is just teaching you a lesson that everything is Maya. And there is a final goal that is there for all of us, which we should focus on. Okay? That is my personal take. And those of you who want to be fearful and be afraid and want to ask every single person you know about whether you should do this or not, you are welcome, but you're not fit for this class. I'm making it very clear. Fearfulness, doubt, asking every single person, can I do this, can I do that? Such people never progress. And the people whom you ask generally have never progressed and they will not let you progress also. And that is the way. So in this Janma, it is not meant for you. It's very clear. So there is another time when probably you will spiritually mature and have that strong approach to say, yes, I want it. So that's the way I look at it. So this is a personal decision all of you need to make. Now coming to the class, we are going to take a very simple stance. Just the way the Lalita Sahasranamam is done without revealing the Panchadasi mantra, we will approach the same way for the Bijam Kilakam Shakti. One of the reasons I am taking this class is because generally Trishati is not chanted, and when it is chanted also people are not sure about their chanting. So this is more a technical class on how to chant properly, correctly, using all the rules, chanting rules that we were talking about. Okay? Even Lalita Sahasranam and Vishnu Sahasranama, which are the most popular, just like Rudram, usually the chanting quality is very poor. So we are trying our best to make sure that the chanting quality is improved. Having said that, I have seen in Lalita Sahasranamam and Rudram also, if people are used to chanting in a certain way, it is very difficult to correct. So in that sense, I see some hope in Lalita Trishati because people have rarely chanted Lalita Trishati. It's a very powerful stotram. And Devi has said that this stotram gives you everything that you need to have. Okay? So if people have not chanted and we are making a fresh start, my belief is we will do a good job when all of us chant together. Everything good?
Yeah.
Will we make a start?
Yes, sir.
Om Shuklam Bharadharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vighnopashantaye Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Om Asya Shri Lalita Trishati Stotra Mahamantrasya Om Asya Shri Lalita Trishati Stotra Mahamantrasya Om अस्य श्रीललितास्त्रिशती स्तोत्रमहामन्त्रस्य. Also again, Om Asya श्रीललितास्त्रिशती स्तोत्रमहामन्त्रस्य. Om Asya श्रीललितास्त्रिशती स्तोत्रमहामन्त्रस्य. Om Asya श्रीललितास्त्रिशती स्तोत्रमहामन्त्रस्य. Then you have to declare who the rishi is. So you touch the feet of the rishi. The feet of the rishi are sitting on top of the head. Bhagavan Hayagriva Rishihi. Bhagavan Hayagriva Rishihi. Bhagavan Hayagriva Rishihi. Then the meter, touch your nose or you can touch your mouth. Anushtup Chandaha.
Anushtup Chandaha. Anushtup Chandaha.
Touch your heart for the Devata. Shri Lalita Parameshwari Devata.
Shri Lalita Parameshwari Devata.
Shri Lalita Parameshwari Devata. So there could be variations here. Doesn't matter. We have to be consistent. It can be Shri Lalita Maha Tripura Sundari Devata or Shri Lalita Parameshwari Devata. For consistency, we are taking Shri Lalita Parameshwari Devata. Okay. Then touch your right side below the chest. Here is where the coded string comes. Srimad Vagbhavakuteti Bijam.
Srimad Vagbhavakuteti Bijam.
Srimad Vagbhavakuteti Bijam. Touch your left below the chest. Madhyakuteti Shaktihi.
Madhyakuteti Shaktihi. Madhyakuteti Shaktihi.
And touch below, center below the chest. Shakti Kuteti Kilakam.
Shakti Kuteti Kilakam. Shakti Kuteti Kilakam.
And then do a Namaskara Mudra. Shri Lalita Parameshwari.
Shri Lalita Parameshwari.
Shri Lalita Parameshwari.
Prasada Siddhyarthe Jape Vinyogaha.
Prasada Siddhyarthe Jape Viniyogaha. Prasada Siddhyarthe Jape Viniyogaha.
Now those people, those devotees who have been initiated in Panchadashi will know what the three kutas are. So they have to use it appropriately. Now after having said this, we have to do the Karanyasam and Anganyasam with the Panchadashi mantra. So that is not going to be discussed here. My expectation is those who have been initiated already know how to do it. Okay. So generally what you will find in public when this is chanted, when it comes to the Nyasam portion, there is silence. And then everybody joins in only when it comes to the Dhyanam portion. Okay. So we will assume that the Karanyasam and Anganyasam will be done quietly, and now we are proceeding to the Dhyanam portion. I already said that people need to invest in books. Please buy this book. We have made available what is freely available on internet in the forum. Otherwise, we need to invest in books. Okay, let's go to Dhyanam. Okay. So when you do Dhyanam, you do a Namaskara Mudra. Ati Madhura Chapahasta.
Ati Madhura Chapahasta. Ati Madhura Chapahasta.
Aparimita Moda.
Aparimita Moda.
Aparimita Moda. Bana Saubhagya.
Bana Saubhagya.
Bana Saubhagyam. Ati Madhura Chapahastam.
Ati
Madhura Chapahastam. Ati Madhura Chapahastam. Aparimita Moda Bana Saubhagyam. Aparimita Moda Bana Saubhagyam. Aparimita Moda Bana Saubhagyam. Arunam Atishaya Karunam. Arunam Atishaya Karunam. अरुणामतिशय करुणाम् अभिनवकुलसुन्दरीं वन्दे
अभिनवकुलसुन्दरीं वन्दे अभिनवकुलसुन्दरीं वन्दे
अतिमधुरचापहस्ताम् अपरिमितामोदबाणसौभाग्याम् अतिमधुरचापहस्ताम् अपरिमितामोदबाणसौभाग्याम् अतिमधुरचापहस्ताम् अपरिमितामोदबाणसौभाग्याम् अरुणामतिशयकरुणाम् अभिनवकुलसुन्दरीं वन्दे
अरुणामतिशयकरुणाम् अभिनवकुलसुन्दरीं वन्दे अरुणामतिशयकरुणाम् अभिनवकुलसुन्दरीं वन्दे
अतिमधुरचापहस्ताम् अपरिमितामोदबाणसौभाग्याम् अतिमधुरचापहस्ताम् अपरिमितामोदबाणसौभाग्याम् अतिमधुरचापहस्ताम् अपरिमितामोदबाणसौभाग्याम् अरुणामतिशयकरुणाम् अभिनवकुलसुन्दरीं वन्दे
अरुणामतिशयकरुणाम् अभिनवकुलसुन्दरीं वन्दे अरुणामतिशयकरुणाम् अभिनवकुलसुन्दरीं वन्दे.
I'll say once again, repeat twice. अतिमधुरचापहस्ताम् अपरिमितामोदबाणसौभाग्याम्
चापहस्ताम् अपरिमितामोदबाणसौभाग्याम् अतिमधुरचापहस्ताम् अपरिमितामोदबाणसौभाग्याम्
अरुणामतिशयकरुणाम् अभिनवकुलसुन्दरीं वन्दे अरुणामतिशयकरुणाम् अभिनवकुलसुन्दरीं वन्दे
अरुणामतिशयकरुणाम् अभिनवकुलसुन्दरीं वन्दे.
Now both lines together, please. 1, 2, 3, start.
अतिमधुरचापहस्ताम् अपरिमितामोदबाणसौभाग्याम् अरुणामतिशयकरुणाम् अभिनवकुलसुन्दरीं वन्दे अतिमधुरचापहस्ताम् अपरिमितामोदबाणसौभाग्याम् अरुणामतिशयकरुणाम् अभिनवकुलसुन्दरीं वन्दे.
Please do 4 times. 1, 2, 3, start.
अतिमधुरचापहस्ताम् अपरिमितामोदबाणसौभाग्याम् अरुणामतिशयकरुणाम् अभिनवकुलसुन्दरीं वन्दे अतिमधुरचापहस्ताम् अपरिमितामोदबाणसौभाग्याम् अरुणामतिशयकरुणाम् अभिनवकुलसुन्दरीं वन्दे अतिमधुरचापहस्ताम् अपरिमितामोदबाणसौभाग्याम् अरुणामतिशयकरुणाम् अभिनवकुलसुन्दरीं वन्दे अतिमधुरचापहस्ताम् अपरिमितामोदबाणसौभाग्याम् अरुणामतिशयकरुणाम् अभिनवकुलसुन्दरीं वन्दे.
4 times done? Okay, good. Now next you have to do Pancha Upacharam. Okay, all of you know Pancha Upacharam because you learned Devi Mahatmyam. Okay, so do with me. I'll say one, just repeat. Okay.
Yeah.
Lam Prithivyatmane Gandham Kalpayami.
लं पृथिव्यात्मने गन्धं कल्पयामि.
लं पृथिव्यात्मने
गन्धं कल्पयामि.
Ham Akashatmane Pushpam Kalpayami.
हम आकाशात्मने पुष्पं कल्पयामि. हम आकाशात्मने पुष्पं कल्पयामि.
Yam Vaivatmane Dhupam Kalpayami.
यं वायुवात्मने धूपं कल्पयामि. यं वायुवात्मने धूपं कल्पयामि.
Ram Agniyatmane Deepam Kalpayami.
रम् अग्नियात्मने दीपं कल्पयामि. रम् अग्नियात्मने दीपं कल्पयामि.
Vam Amritatmane Amritam Kalpayami.
वम् अमृतात्मने अमृतं कल्पयामि. वम् अमृतात्मने अमृतं कल्पयामि
सं सर्वात्मने समस्तोपचारान् समर्पयामि
सर्वात्मने समस्तोपचारान् समर्पयामि सर्वात्मने समस्तोपचारान् समर्पयामि
ॐ ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं
ॐ ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ॐ ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं
ककाररूपा कल्याणी
ककाररूपा कल्याणी ककाररूपा कल्याणी
ककाररूपा कल्याणी
ककाररूपा कल्याणी ककाररूपा कल्याणी
कल्याणगुणशालिनी
कल्याणगुणशालिनी कल्याणगुणशालिनी
कल्याणगुणशालिनी
कल्याणगुणशालिनी कल्याणगुणशालिनी
ककाररूपा कल्याणी
ककाररूपा कल्याणी ककाररूपा कल्याणी
कल्याणगुणशालिनी
कल्याणगुणशालिनी कल्याणगुणशालिनी.
So one of the outstanding features of Lalita Sahasranamam is also present in Lalita Trishati, which is almost all lines will ending with a Dirgham. So there are people who will chant fast and show off Kalyana Gunashalini. Kalyana, even when you chant fast Kalyana Gunashalini, Dirgham has to be there. Okay. Kakararupa Kalyani Kalyana Gunashalini
Kakararupa Kalyani Kalyana Gunashalini Kakararupa Kalyani Kalyana Gunashalini.
Say emphasize the syllables, okay? Because some words like Kalyana etc. are familiar, so don't hurry over them. Syllables are Kalyana. Clarity should be there, okay? Kakararupa Kalyani Kalyana Gunashalini
Kakararupa Kalyani Kalyana Gunashalini Kakararupa Kalyani Kalyana Gunashalini.
4 times.
Kakararupa Kalyani Kalyana Gunashalini Kakararupa Kalyani Kalyana Gunashalini Kakararupa Kalyani Kalyana Gunashalini Kakararupa Kalyani Kalyana Gunashalini.
So in terms of, I don't know how it is written in English, but it is Kalyani Ana, like in Karanam Ana, and then Kalyana Guna, not Kalyana Gunashalini, Kalyana Gunashalini, Kalyani, not Kalyani, Kalyani. Okay. Next, Kalyana Shaila Nilaya,
Kalyana Shaila Nilaya Kalyana Shaila Nilaya
Kalyana Shaila Nilaya
Kalyana Shaila Nilaya Kalyana Shaila Nilaya
Kamaniya Kalavati
Kamaniya Kalavati Kamaniya Kalavati
Kamaniya Kalavati
Kamaniya Kalavati Kamaniya Kalavati
Kalyana Shaila Nilaya Kamaniya Kalavati
Kalyana Shaila Nilaya Kamaniya Kalavati Kalyana Shaila Nilaya Kamaniya Kalavati
Kalyana Shaila Nilaya Kamaniya Kalavati
Kalyana Shaila Nilaya Kamaniya Kalavati Kalyana Shaila Nilaya Kamaniya Kalavati
Kalyana Shaila Nilaya Kamaniya Kalavati
Kalyana Shaila Nilaya Kamaniya Kalavati कल्याणशैलनिलया कमनीया कलावती
4 times.
कल्याणशैलनिलया कमनीया कलावती कल्याणशैलनिलया कमनीया कलावती कल्याणशैलनिलया कमनीया कलावती कल्याणशैलनिलया कमनीया कलावती.
Now both lines together 2 times, please. 1, 2, 3, start.
ककाररूपा कल्याणी कल्याणगुणशालिनी कल्याणशैलनिलया कमनीया कलावती ककाररूपा कल्याणी कल्याणगुणशालिनी कल्याणशैलनिलया कमनीया कलावती.
So, I am aware of a tradition that some people sing this, even Lalita Sahasranam also. But I believe when you do that, the rules of chanting are broken. Anuswaram rules are broken. Holding is not done consistently. So, I always believe when you do something, do it properly. Simple and effective. If you go for style, you lose the essence. Can you manage style and essence? I always believe it's better to go for the essence of it. Okay? Next one. And of course, I can't sing. That's another thing. Kamalakshi Kalmashagni.
Kamalakshi Kalmashagni. Kamalakshi Kalmashagni.
So hold the ik for cha, hold the ig for the shagni. Okay. Kamalakshi Kalmashagni.
Kamalakshi Kalmashagni. Kamalakshi Kalmashagni.
Kamalakshi Kalmashagni.
Kamalakshi Kalmashagni. Kamalakshi Kalmashagni.
So when they sing, they go Kamalakshi, Kamalakshi, hold the iksha. Kamalakshi Kalmashagni.
Kamalakshi Kalmashagni. Kamalakshi Kalmashagni.
Karunamrita Sagara.
Karunamrita Sakara. Karunamrita Sakara.
Karunamrita. So there's no holding of im. It's not Karunamrita. Karunamrita Sagara.
Karunamrita Sagara. Karunamrita Sagara.
Karunamrita Sagara.
Karunamrita Sakara. Karunamrita Sakara.
Kamalakshi Kalmashagni. Karunamrita Sagara.
Kamalakshi Kalmashagni. Karunamrita Sagara. Kamalakshi Kalmashagni. Karunamrita Sagara.
So the holding is coming, okay? You don't hold im. So you do like Karunamrita, Karunamrita, okay? Don't go Karunam. Then when you go like that, only you're holding the im.
I have to hold.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Kamalakshi Kalmashagni. Karunamrita Sagara.
Kamalakshi Kalmashagni. Karunamrita Sagara. Kamalakshi Kalmashagni. Karunamrita Sagara.
4 times, please. 1, 2, 3, start.
Kamalakshi Kalmashagni. Karunamrita Sagara. Kamalakshi Kalmashagni. Karunamrita Sagara. Kamalakshi Kalmashagni. Karunamrita Sagara. Kamalakshi Kalmashagni. Karunamrita Sagara.
Good. Kadambakana Navasa.
Kadambakana Navasa. Kadambakana Navasa.
Kadambakana Navasa.
Kadambakana Navasa. Kadambakana Navasa.
Kadambakusuma Priya.
Kadambakusuma Priya. कदम्बकुसुमप्रिया
कदम्बकुसुमप्रिया
कदम्बकुसुमप्रिया कदम्बकुसुमप्रिया
कदम्बकाननावासा कदम्बकुसुमप्रिया
कदम्बकाननावासा
कदम्बकुसुमप्रिया कदम्बकाननावासा कदम्बकुसुमप्रिया कदम्बकाननावासा कदम्बकुसुमप्रिया
कदम्बकाननावासा कदम्बकुसुमप्रिया कदम्बकाननावासा कदम्बकुसुमप्रिया
4 times कदम्बकाननावासा कदम्बकुसुमप्रिया कदम्बकाननावासा कदम्बकुसुमप्रिया कदम्बकाननावासा कदम्बकुसुमप्रिया कदम्बकाननावासा कदम्बकुसुमप्रिया. Now both lines together 2 times please. 1, 2, 3 start.
कमलाक्षी कल्मषघ्नी करुणामृतसागरा कदम्बकाननावासा कदम्बकुसुमप्रिया कमलाक्षी कल्मषघ्नी करुणामृतसागरा कदम्बकाननावासा कदम्बकुसुमप्रिया.
Start from the beginning. Kakara Rupa. Okay, 1, 2, 3 start.
ककार रूपा कल्याणी कल्याण गुणशालिनी कल्याणशैल निलया कमनीया
कलावती कमलाक्षी कल्मषघ्नी करुणामृतसागरा कदम्बकाननावासा कदम्बकुसुमप्रिया. Once more, 1, 2, 3 start.
ककार रूपा कल्याणी कल्याण गुणशालिनी कल्याणशैल निलया कमनीया कलावती कमलाक्षी कल्मषघ्नी करुणामृतसागरा कदम्बकाननावासा कदम्बकुसुमप्रिया.
Good. Next one. Kandarpa Vidya Kandarpa
कंदर्प विद्या कंदर्प कंदर्प विद्या कंदर्प
कंदर्प विद्या कंदर्प
कंदर्प विद्या कंदर्प कंदर्प विद्या कंदर्प
जनकापांगवीक्षणा
जनकापांगवीक्षणा जनकापांगवीक्षणा
जनकापांगवीक्षणा
जनकापांगवीक्षणा जनकापांगवीक्षणा.
So inga ga has to come fully. Okay, जनकापांगवीक्षणा
जनकापांगवीक्षणा जनकापांगवीक्षणा.
Good. कंदर्प विद्या कंदर्प जनकापांगवीक्षणा 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 कंदर्प विद्या कंदर्प जनकापांगवीक्षणा. With me 4 times. 1, 2, 3 start.
कंदर्प विद्या कंदर्प जनकापांगवीक्षणा Kandarpavidya Kandarpajanakapangavikshana.
See, the ga has come out fully. See, Janaka, Pangavik, Gavi, Gavi. Otherwise, going Janaka, Pangavik, Ga becomes almost like half. You know what I'm saying? Janaka, Pangavik. It becomes like Janaka, Panga, Ga, Janaka, Pangavik, Gavi, right? Gavi. Okay, two more times. 1, 2, 3, start.
Kandarpavidya Kandarpajanakapangavikshana. Kandarpavidya Kandarpajanakapangavikshana.
All good?
Yeah.
Karpuraviti Saurabhya.
Karpuraviti Saurabhya. Karpuraviti Saurabhya.
And here VT, generally people go wrong here. They say Karpuraviti Saurabhya. VT.
Yeah, dirgham.
Karpuraviti Saurabhya.
Karpuraviti Saurabhya. Karpuraviti Saurabhya.
Karpuraviti Saurabhya.
Karpuraviti Saurabhya. Karpuraviti Saurabhya.
Kallolita kakoptata.
Kallolita kakuptata. Kallolita kakuptata.
See, just like the other one, no? Don't go so long. Just like, for example, this one, no? Karun Amrita.
Yeah.
If you say Karun Amrita, then it goes like that.
Yeah.
You unnecessarily behold the im.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
So Karun Amrita, let it be a flow.
Right.
Okay? But it will be Dhirgam. Karun Amrita. Amrita. Similarly here, Kallolita. After it becomes Kallolita, it becomes like that. Kallolita, it becomes like that. If you drag it too much, it should be a flow. Kallolita, not Kallolita.
Okay.
Know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
There's a tendency without knowing for it to happen like that. Okay? Because it is, remember one thing when you learn in Vedam, there's an extended Dhirgam
Yeah.
when it comes to holding.
Holding. Yeah.
Know what I'm
That's
saying?
all. Yeah.
So the same trend will come here. But there's no holding here.
Yeah. Maybe that's what I'm doing here.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah,
So
I
when
know.
you extend Dhirgam, means there is a holding somewhere.
Right, right.
There's no holding here. Okay?
Kallolitika Utpada
Kallolita. Kallo. What is the syllable? Kal. Lo. Li. Ta. Ka. Kup. Ta. Ta. 4. 8.
So how do you split that?
Kallolita. Ka. Kup. Ta. Ta. Okay. Kallolita. Ka. Kup. Ta. Ta.
Kallolita kakuptata. Kallolita kakuptata.
Kallolita. It's not Kallolita. Kallolita Kakoptata.
Kallolita kakuptata. Kallolita kakuptata.
That's better. Yes, that's how we should do it.
First time I was expecting too much.
When you do it, means there's a holding there.
Yeah, yeah.
Just watch out. Okay.
You just chant it straight through. You don't hold it out.
Correct.
He doesn't want
Only
to
in Kakup. Kakuptata. There is Ipta. Kakuptata. Okay. Karpuraviti Saurabhya Kallolita Kakuptata.
Karpuraviti Saurabhya Kallolita kakuptata. Karpuraviti Saurabhya Kallolita kakuptata.
Similarly, the one that I was talking about earlier,
Yeah.
like
Karnamrita?
Janakapanga, Ga has to come fully, so Saurabhya,
Yeah.
Ya has to come out fully. Otherwise, people go Karpuraviti Saurabhya Kallo, Saurabhya Kallo, Bhya
Yeah.
has to come out fully. I'm not talking about you generally,
Yeah.
no, you specifically. It's a general issue.
Okay.
Okay, because I like you, always look at you.
One question is Kallolita. Both the laws are not half, right? The
No,
full-
first one is half. Kallo. It's not Kalalolita. Kallolita.
So we are holding the first one.
Yes, 100%. Kallo. Okay. Yeah. Karpuraviti Saurabhya Kallolita Kakupta. kuttata.
कर्पूरवीटी सौरभ्य कल्लोलितक कुप्तटा कर्पूरवीटी सौरभ्य कल्लोलितक कुप्तटा
4 times with me. 1, 2, 3, start.
कर्पूरवीटी सौरभ्य कल्लोलितक कुप्तटा कर्पूरवीटी सौरभ्य कल्लोलितक कुप्तटा कर्पूरवीटी सौरभ्य कल्लोलितक कुप्तटा कर्पूरवीटी सौरभ्य कल्लोलितक कुप्तटा.
Good. Now both lines together 2 times, please. 1, 2, 3, start.
कंदर्प विद्या कंदर्प जनकापांग वीक्षणा कर्पूरवीटी सौरभ्य कल्लोलितक कुप्तटा कंदर्प विद्या कंदर्प जनकापांग वीक्षणा कर्पूरवीटी सौरभ्य कल्लोलितक कुप्तटा.
Good. Start from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, start.
ककार रूपा कल्याणी कल्याण गुणशालिनी कल्याण शैल निलया कमनीया कलावती कमलाक्षी कल्मषग्नि करुणामृत सागरा कदम्ब काननावासा कदम्ब कुसुम प्रिया कंदर्प विद्या कंदर्प जनकापांग वीक्षणा कर्पूरवीटी सौरभ्य कल्लोलितक कुप्तटा.
Good. All good? Okay. Kalidosha Kanja.
कलिदोषहरा कंज कलिदोषहरा कंज
Kalidosha Kanja.
कलिदोषहरा कंज कलिदोषहरा कंज
Lochana Kambra Vigraha.
लोचना कम्र विग्रह लोचना कम्र विग्रह
Kalidosha Kanja Lochana Kambra Vigraha.
कलिदोषहरा कंज लोचना कम्र विग्रह कलिदोषहरा कंज लोचना कम्र विग्रह
4 times with me.
कलिदोषहरा कंज लोचना कम्र विग्रह कलिदोषहरा कंज लोचना कम्र विग्रह कलिदोषहरा कंज लोचना कम्र विग्रह कलिदोषहरा कंज लोचना कम्र विग्रह.
All good? Any doubt anywhere? All good? Okay. Now, one of the things when people read this kind of text, they get caught up sometimes saying, where is the break? It's a very simple. So this Anushtup Chandaha, so this is certain Anushtup Chandas, which means every line has 16 syllables. So when you come to the 8th syllable, just with your pen put a vertical stroke and divide the line. For example, here it is Ka, Li, Dosha, Ha, Ra, Kanja. So the break is on after Ja. Then Lo, Cha, Na, Kamra, Vigraha. 8 plus 8, 16. So any line that you see, you can break. Don't go by the word. So if a sentence has 4 words, doesn't mean 2 words and 2 words make it up as half and half. No, you have to count the syllables. So the syllable break may come in the middle of a word. Okay?
So we can pause a little there. Is that what you're
Not
saying?
pause. Just put a line so that you know the tune for the
Just
tune.
for the calculation, yeah.
For example, Kali, Dosha, Hara, Kanja, Lochana. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because the tune changes in the second half, no?
That's how I learned Devatyam. It became
Yeah.
very easy for me.
So this is a very simple technique. And I have done all this in the beginning to make sure that, I get the break correct and...
My mentor did.
Okay, next one. Karmadisakshini kara.
कर्मादिसाक्षिणीकार कर्मादिसाक्षिणीकार
Karmadisakshini kara.
कर्मादिसाक्षिणीकार कर्मादिसाक्षिणीकार
Yitri karma phala prada, yitri karma phala prada, yitri karma phala prada. Yes.
Karma palavrada.
Karma phala prada. How many times there is no pha in Sanskrit? Pha, P-H-A, pha. Phala prada.
Yeah, that's why I got caught up here.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry about
Yitri karma phala prada. Yitri karma phala prada. Yitri karma phala prada. Karma disakshini kara yitri karma phala prada. Karma disakshini kara yitri karma phala prada. Karmadi sakshini karayitri karma phala prada. 4 more times with me. 1, 2, 3, start. Karmadi sakshini karayitri karma phala prada. Karmadi sakshini karayitri karma phala prada. Karmadi sakshini
Karayitri karma phala prada.
Karmadi sakshini karayitri karma phala prada. Good. Now both lines with me 2 times. 1, 2, 3, start. Kalidosha hara kanjalochana kamra vigraha. Karmadi sakshini karayitri karma phala prada. Kalidosha hara kanjalochana kamra vigraha. Karmadi sakshini karayitri karma phala prada. Now during your chanting, if you find you are getting some lines difficult, just mark those lines and practice those lines. The lines that come easily will always come easily, as long as you follow the rules. Not that it's coming easily because you're breaking the rules. As long as you follow the rules and something is coming easily, you don't have to worry about it. But if you're getting stuck repeatedly somewhere, mark that line and practice that line. Okay? Now let's go back to Kakara Rupa. 1, 2, 3, start.
Kakara Rupa Kalyani Kalyana Gunashalini Kalyana Shaila Nilaya Kamaniya Kalavati Kamalakshi Kalmashagni Karunamrita Sagara Kadamba Kanana Vasa Kadamba Kusuma Priya Kandarpa Vidya Kandarpa Janaka Panga Vikshana Karpura Viti Saurabhya Kallolita Kakuttata Kalidosha Hara Kanjalochana Kamra Vigraha Karmadi Sakshini Karayitri Karma Phala Prada. Got it? Yeah.
Good. Now the speed is picking up a little bit. You have to maintain the balance. You cannot just, from my sense of hearing, I'm feeling some spots is hurrying through. Some spots it is becoming a little bit slower. Balance. Balance is very important. Okay. Okay. Next one. Ekara rupa chaikarkshe. Ekara rupa chaikarkshe. Ekara rupa. Ekara. Always dirgham. Ekara rupa chaikarkshe. Ekara rupa chaikarkshe. Ekara rupa chaikarkshe. Is always dirgham. Don't forget. Don't go. Ekara. Ekara. Ekara rupa chaikarkshe. Ekara rupa chaikarkshe. Ekara rupa chaikarkshe. Kane kakshara kritihi. Kane kakshara kritihi. Kane kakshara kritihi. Kane kakshara kritihi. Kane. What happened?
We have a different print, that's probably why.
Why?
Reka is there. Chaikaksha.
Because they have broken the
Yeah.
what is it called? The
Chaikakshar,
sandhi, they have broken it probably.
Yeah.
It won't end in.
No, it will because the count know how many syllables are coming.
So Chaikakshi, then you went to Kan and.
Chaikarkshe.
எழுத முடியுது.
Now you count the syllables, no? because if you break the sandhi,
It'll be one more.
it'll be one more.
I got one more.
Sometimes, not maybe always, but the way it's given is the way it should be chanted. For example, in the Dhyana Slokam, I actually broke the chandas, okay? Just to make it easy, in Dhyana Slokam, I broke the chandas. Ideally, we should not break the chandas in the Dhyana Slokam also. Like, for example, Ati Madhura Chapa Hastam Aparimita. It should be Ati Madhura Chapa Hastam Aparimita Moda. Similarly, Aruna Madhishaya Karana Abhinava. But to start it off in an easy way, I just broke it, but not in the main text. Okay?
So this line is only 15 syllables then?
No, I got
Always
one
16.
extra because I had something divided.
What happens is in some books maybe they're separating for easy chanting, but it can sometimes collapse the rule of chandas.
But the second part, Kane Kaksharakrutihi, it's only 7, right?
No, ka ne kakshara kritihi. 8.
E also.
Yeah. Okay. Kane kakshara kritihi. Kane kakshara kritihi. Kane kakshara kritihi. Kane kakshara kritihi.
Kane kakshara kritihi.
Kane kakshara kritihi. Ekara rupa chaikakshye. Kane kakshara kritihi. Ekara rupa chaikakshye. Kane kakshara kritihi. Ekara rupa chaikakshye. Kane kakshara kritihi.
It's Chaikarkshe, right?
Chaikarkshe.
There's a R in the
Yeah.
Karkshe.
Yeah.
Because I heard a little bit in the middle, no R was coming through.
Okay.
Evidence, where is the
Can you repeat?
Yeah,
I
right,
did not
car-
have that.
Chaikarkshe.
Karkshe it is.
I don't have like that.
Yeah, yeah.
Karkshe.
Karkshe.
Okay.
Ye, ye.
Karkshe.
There's a R in the
That's a
middle.
irkshe.
There's a R in the
Chaikarkshe.
Karkshe. In the middle of the ksha.
Illa, we need to add. I think
Karkshe.
in my book it flipped over the other way. Ama.
Before the ksha is the Karkshe.
உங்க புக்ல இருக்கா? என் புக்ல தப்பா போட்டுருக்கு. It comes at the last of the
அந்த book இல்ல.
You are correct. இது கரெக்டா இருக்கு.
Karkshe.
Correct.
What is it written in Malayalam?
No, Chaikakshi.
Then they have changed it.
E book இல்ல and in that also not there.
What is in the book that?
What is it in your book?
Rise there.
Huh?
On the top, the
What is in Telugu?
Rise there.
We have Chaikakshariye.
That's exactly what
Well,
But we
Chaikakshi.
have in Sanskrit script it is there.
Chaikakarupa, Chaikakshe, Dika. That's what I asked you, where is it?
Number 5.
5.
5. Ekara rupa.
First line.
5.
Illama. Ekara rupa.
5.
உங்க பிரிண்ட்லயும் இரு இல்லைங்க.
என்னோட print இல்ல, அது internet print.
Amma, second word.
Shakye.
Chai. That's what I'm saying. There's a R.
அவங்க ரா போடுறாங்க.
Yeah, is there?
Ekara rupa.
Okay, let's go. I'll say once, repeat twice, please, okay? Ekara rupa chaikarkshe kane kakshara kritihi. Ekara rupa chaikarkshe kane kakshara kritihi. Ekara rupa chaikarkshe kane kakshara kritihi. 4 times, 1, 2, 3, start. Ekara rupa chaikarkshe kane kakshara kritihi. Ekara rupa chaikarkshe kane kakshara kritihi. Ekara rupa chaikarkshe kane kakshara kritihi.
Ekara rupa chaikarkshe kane
Kshakritihi.
Okay. Let's we have to move on. Okay,
Eka naikakshara krutihi.
you are looking at something else. Okay, next one. Okay,
இல்ல அவங்களுக்கு பிரிச்சு போட்டு ஜாயின்
Eka
பண்ண
rupa
அவ்வளவுதான்.
ekachya eka naikakshara krutihi.
No, that's further up.
then count whether 16 syllable is coming.
Yeah, that's the thing. You are right. End of the day, that should matter. 16 syllables should matter end of the day. Yeah.
Yeah.
Only
Then they have broken the sandhi. Because if you break the sandhi, then the chanting will be out of order. Because when you, for example, namaste astu or namaste astu,
both are different actually in terms of
the number of syllables are different. Also, the timing will be different.
He has made the same mistake in these also.
I can't do anything about
No, I'm
it.
just saying. So that means he probably in all the English done.
Okay, okay, we got to move on. Okay, I already said what it is as per the book. Let's go to the next one. Yeah, etattaditya nirdeshya, etattaditya nirdeshya,
Etattaditya nirdeshya.
A is always here come, right? Etattaditya nirdeshya,
Etattaditya nirdeshya. Etattaditya nirdeshya.
etattaditya nirdeshya,
Etattaditya nirdeshya.
etattaditya nirdeshya, etattaditya nirdeshya,
Etattaditya nirdeshya. Etattaditya nirdeshya.
chaikananda chidakritihi,
Chaikanandachitakૃතිः. Chaikanandachitakృतिः.
chaikananda chidakritihi,
Chaikanandachitakృतिः. Chaikanandachitakృतिः.
etattaditya nirdeshya, chaikananda chidakritihi,
Etattaditya nirdeshya. Chaikanandachitakృతిः. Etattaditya nirdeshya.
chaikanandachidakritihi. The two dirghams continuing, right? Deshya, chaika, all are four dirghams coming continuously. Okay,
First one, I think we are missing one letter. Here, Chirakrutihi, like there are only 4 letters, right? Tihi is only 1 letter. Otherwise, it will become 19 in the last line.
etattaditya,
Yeah, if you.
etattaditya nirdeshya 8,
Yeah.
chaikananda chidakritihi,
Tihi is 1 letter we are counting, 1 syllable we are counting. But the previous one we counted 2.
ekara rupa chaikakshe
A plus.
kritihi.
You don't need to come to class tomorrow on this.
Okay, I'll look into it and get back to you. Okay.
Maybe we are missing 1 letter.
Yeah. I gave the formula, now the formula is coming back to me. Okay. Okay, let's go. We got to finish 20 today along with Namavalis.
Song hai.
etattaditya nirdeshya chaikananda chidakritihi,
Etattaditya nirdeshya. Chaikanandachitakృతిः. Etattaditya nirdeshya. Chaikanandachitakృతిः.
4 times, 1, 2, 3, start.
Etattaditya nirdeshya.
chaikananda chidakritihi, etattaditya nirdeshya chaikananda chidakritihi, etattaditya nirdeshya chaikananda chidakritihi, etattaditya nirdeshya chaikananda chidakritihi. So people know, even if you're knowledgeable to holding, the one holding that people missed is on Ishya. For example, etattaditya nirdeshya, they'll go nirdeshya, nirdeshya. It's not nirdeshya, nirdeshya. Okay? Just watch. So holdings are it, etat, ditya, it, nir, ishya, then nanda, in the. Okay? Etat, once, twice after me. एतत्तदित्यनिर्देश्य चैकानन्दचिदाकृतिः
एतत्तदित्यनिर्देश्य चैकानन्दचिदाकृतिः एतत्तदित्यनिर्देश्य चैकानन्दचिदाकृतिः.
Now both lines together 2 times please. 1, 2, 3 start.
एकाररूपा
चैकाक्ष्ये कानेकाक्षराकृतिः एतत्तदित्यनिर्देश्य चैकानन्दचिदाकृतिः
एकाररूपा चैकाक्ष्ये कानेकाक्षराकृतिः एतत्तदित्यनिर्देश्य चैकानन्दचिदाकृतिः.
From the beginning please. 1, 2, 3 start.
काकाररूपा कल्याणी कल्याणगुणशालिनी कल्याणशैलनिलया कमनीया कलावती कमलाक्षी कल्मषग्नी करुणामृतसागरा कदम्बकाननावासा कदम्बकुसुमप्रिया कंदर्पविद्या कंदर्पजनकापाङ्गवीक्षणा कर्पूरवीटी सौरभ्यकल्लोलितककुप्तटा कलिदोषहरा कञ्चलोचना कम्रविग्रहा कर्मादिसाक्षिणी कारयित्री कर्मफलप्रदा एकाररूपा चैकाक्ष्ये कानेकाक्षराकृतिः एतत्तदित्यनिर्देश्य चैकानन्दचिदाकृतिः.
Okay, all good. I'm just checking something.
Yeah.
Yeah, next one. Evamityagamaboddhya evamityagamaboddhya evamityagamaboddhya. Hold the idh, right? Hold the idh, hold the idh. Evamityagamaboddhya 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 chaikabhaktimadarchita
चैकभक्तिमदर्चिता
chaikabhaktimadarchita bhakti bh
Oh, okay, thank you.
chaikabhaktimadarchita
चैकभक्तिमदर्चिता चैकभक्तिमदर्चिता.
See, whenever cha comes is and. So cha eka bhakti become chaika bhakti. Okay. Eva mit. Don't forget a is dirgham. Eva mitya, because people go eva mitya, eva. The difference between a and va, just notice. Eva, va is short, a is long. Eva is not eva. Contrast. Okay. Eva mityagamaboddhya chaikabhaktimadarchita
eva mityagamaboddhya chaikabhaktimadarchita eva mityagamaboddhya chaikabhaktimadarchita.
I'll say once again 4 times please. Eva mityagamaboddhya chaikabhaktimadarchita
eva mityagamaboddhya
chaikabhaktimadarchita
eva mityagamaboddhya chaikabhaktimadarchita eva mityagamaboddhya chaikabhaktimadarchita eva mityagamaboddhya chaikabhaktimadarchita
ekagrachitta nirdhyata
एकाग्रचित्तनिर्ध्याता एकाग्रचित्तनिर्ध्याता
ekagrachitta nirdhyata
एकाग्रचित्तनिर्ध्याता
ekagrachitta nirdhyata then dhyata ekagra igra chitta nirdh
Nirdhyata.
Don't say nirdhyata. 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 Okay. Ekagrachitta nirdhyata. Ekagrachitta nirdhyata. Ekagrachitta nirdhyata. You will get the balance. When you say it correctly, you will know that it is correct. Ekagrachitta nirdhyata.
Ekagrachitta nirdhyata. Ekagrachitta nirdhyata.
Ekagrachitta nirdhyata.
Ekagrachitta nirdhyata. Ekagrachitta nirdhyata.
Chaishanarahita drita.
Chaishanarahita drita. Chaishanarahita drita.
Chaishanarahita drita.
Chaishanarahita drita. Chaishanarahita drita.
Ekagrachitta nirdhyata. Chaishanarahita drita.
Ekagrachitta nirdhyata. Chaishanarahita drita. Ekagrachitta nirdhyata. Chaishanarahita drita.
Ekagrachitta nirdhyata. Chaishanarahita drita.
Ekagrachitta nirdhyata. Chaishanarahita drita. Ekagrachitta nirdhyata. Chaishanarahita drita.
With me 4 times, please. 1, 2, 3, start.
Ekagrachitta nirdhyata. Chaishanarahita drita. Ekagrachitta nirdhyata. Chaishanarahita drita. Ekagrachitta nirdhyata. Chaishanarahita drita. Ekagrachitta nirdhyata. Chaishanarahita drita.
Both lines together with me 2 times. 1, 2, 3, start.
Evamityagama bodhya chaika bhakti madarchita. Ekagrachitta nirdhyata. Chaishanarahita drita. Evamityagama bodhya chaika bhakti madarchita. Ekagrachitta nirdhyata. Chaishanarahita drita.
Good. All good? From the beginning. 1, 2, 3, start. Kakara rupa
Kalyani Kalyana Gunashalini Kalyana Shaila Nilaya Kamaniya Kalavati.
Hold on. Dirgham is there, right? Kalyana Shaila Nilaya Kamaniya. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start.
Kalyana Shaila Nilaya Kamaniya Kalavati. Kamalakshi Kalmashagni Karunamrita Sagara. Kadamba Kanana Vasa Kadamba Kusuma Priya. Kandarpa Vidya Kandarpa Janaka Panga Vikshana. Karpura Viti Saurabhya Kallolitaka Kuptata. Kalitoshahara Kanjalochana Kamra Vigraha. Karmadi Sakshini Karayitri Karma Palaprada. Ekara Rupa Chaikarshe Kane Karchara Kriti. Etattaditya Nirdeshya Chaikananda Chidakriti. Evamityagama bodhya chaika bhakti madarchita. Ekagrachitta nirdhyata. Chaishanarahita drita.
Good. Next one. Ela sugandhi chikura. Ela sugandhi chikura. Ela sugandhi chikura. Don't forget opening dirgham, okay? Ela, see, contrast is not ela, both are dirgham. Ela sugandhi chikura. Ela sugandhi chikura. Ela
sugandhi chikura.
See the style. Ela sugandhi. It's not ela sugandhi. Ela sugandhi chikura.
Ela sugandhi chikura. Ela sugandhi chikura.
Chainakuta vinashini.
Chainakuta vinashini. Chainakuta vinashini.
Chainakuta vinashini.
Chainakuta vinashini. Chainakuta vinashini.
Ela sugandhi chikura. Chainakuta vinashini.
Ela sugandhi chikura. Chainakuta vinashini. Ela sugandhi chikura. Chainakuta vinashini.
Ela sugandhi. Watch. Ela sugandhi is not ela sugandhi. Ela sugandhi chikura. Because la su. You have to contrast the dhargam and rasvam. Ela sugandhi.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Got it.
Ela sugandhi chikura chainakuta vinashini.
Ela sugandhi chikura. Chainakuta vinashini. Ela sugandhi chikura. Chainakuta vinashini.
4 times with me. 1, 2, 3, start.
Ela sugandhi chikura. Chainakuta vinashini. Ela sugandhi chikura. Chainakuta vinashini. Ela sugandhi chikura. Chainakuta vinashini. Ela sugandhi chikura. Chainakuta vinashini.
Eka bhoga chaikarasa.
Eka bhoga chaikarasa. Eka bhoga chaikarasa.
So just whenever chai comes, I told you this cha and a. Okay. So eka bhoga cha ekarasa. Okay. You can't break it there. If you break it, see the syllables goes up. Because you'll have cha and you'll have a. So you have one more syllable. So the sandhi is broken. And you won't get the tune. Eka bhoga chaikarasa.
Eka bhoga chaikarasa. Eka bhoga chaikarasa.
Chaikaishvarya pradayini.
Chaikaishvarya pradayini. Chaikaishvarya pradayini.
That's much better because you're holding the ish, okay? Chaikaishvarya pradayini.
Chaikaishvarya pradayini. Chaikaishvarya pradayini.
And because you're holding with the ish, the kai is longer than chai.
Yeah.
Chai kai. We saw it in Vedic chanting, no?
Yeah.
Like, sancha me, ma yacha me.
Correct.
Then that me, because you're holding with the ip, it will be longer. People go chancha me, ma yacha me, priyancha song. Chancha me, ma yacha me, priyancha me. So similarly here, where is it? Yeah.
7. Second line
Yeah,
of
yeah.
7.
Yeah, so Chaikaishvarya pradayini.
Chaikaishvarya pradayini. Chaikaishvarya pradayini.
Eka bhoga chaikarasa chaikaishvarya pradayini.
Eka bhoga chaikarasa chaikaishvarya pradayini. Eka bhoga chaikarasa chaikaishvarya pradayini.
4 times. 1, 2, 3, start.
Eka bhoga chaikarasa chaikaishvarya pradayini. Eka bhoga chaikarasa chaikaishvarya pradayini. Eka bhoga chaikarasa chaikaishvarya pradayini. Eka bhoga chaikarasa chaikaishvarya
So
pradayini.
the A always there. Eka bhoga, eka bho, e bhoga. If you a little bit short. It is just Yeah. So both lines together. 1, 2, 3, start.
Eka sugandhi chikura chaina kuta vinashini Eka bhoga chaika rasa chaika ishwarya pradayini Ela sugandhi chikura chaina kuta vinashini Eka bhoga chaika rasa chaika ishwarya pradayini.
Good. Now, starting from the beginning, 1, 2, 3, start.
Kakara rupa kalyani kalyana gunashalini kalyana shaila nilaya kamaniya kalavati kamalakshi kalmashagni karunamrita sagara kadambhakana vasa kadamba kusuma priya Kandarpa vidya kandarpa janaka panga vikshana Karpura viti saurabhya kallolita kakuptata Kalidoshahara kanjalochana kamra vigraha Karmadi sakshini karayitri karma phalaprada Ekara rupa chaikakshye kane kaksharakriti Etattaditya nirdeshya chaikananda chidakriti Evamityagama bodhya chaika bhakti madarchita Ekagra chitta nirdhyata chaishanarahita dhrita Ela sugandhi chikura chaina kuta vinashini Eka bhoga chaika rasa chaika ishwarya pradayini.
After learning all of it, don't forget the details. When you go fast, don't lapse. Okay, next one. Ekatapatra samrajya
Ekatapatra samrajya Ekatapatra samrajya.
See, hold im. Samrajya. Okay. Yeah, samrajya, right? Samrajya. Okay. Ekatapatra samrajya
Ekatapatra samrajya Ekatapatra samrajya
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 samrajya Ekatapatra samrajya
Ekatapatra samrajya Ekatapatra samrajya.
And we join with the second half. We have to hold the ip. Okay. Prada chaikanta pujita.
Prada chaikanta pujita. Prada chaikanta pujita.
Ekatapatra samrajya prada chaikanta pujita.
Ekatapatra samrajya prada chaikanta pujita. Ekatapatra samrajya prada chaikanta pujita.
Chaikanta inta. Okay. Ekatapatra samrajya prada chaikanta pujita.
Ekatapatra samrajya prada chaikanta pujita. Ekatapatra samrajya prada chaikanta pujita.
Pu dirgham. Okay. 4 times with me. 1, 2, 3, start.
Ekatapatra samrajya prada chaikanta pujita. Ekatapatra samrajya prada chaikanta pujita. Ekatapatra samrajya prada chaikanta pujita. Ekatapatra samrajya prada chaikanta pujita.
Good. Edhamana prabha chaija. Edhamana prabha chaija. Edhamana prabha chaija. Edhama edhirgam. Edhamana prabha chaija.
एधमानप्रभा चैज एधमानप्रभाचैज
दाने जट जगदीश्वरी दाने जट जगदीश्वरी दाने जट दाने
दनेग जगदीश
दाने जज
எங்களுக்கு கஜ்ஜு வந்திருக்கு தனே கஜ் ஜெகதீஷ்
दाने जज
Yeah, judge. Correct. Judge.
अनेक जगदीश्वर
Yeah, I have to say
so it will be cha ej dane jaj jagadishwari. So it is ja only, it is not ga.
I know, but there's
Oh.
two jars.
தனே
Yes.
கஜ் ஜெகதீஸ்வரி
Dane jaj jagadishwari. Yeah, correct it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Dane jaj jagadishwari.
दाने
jaj
जगदीश्वरी
दाने जज जगदीश्वरी दाने जज जगदीश्वरी
दाने जगदीश्वरी दाने जगदीश्वरी
Danik judge.
दनेग
Danik judge. There's
He's
curve.
saying ja
Danik
he just
judge,
judge
right?
अनेक अनेकज it is here is अनेकज
So Danika judge like that.
but here I have ja only. So look, I think there could be patha bedam because danekaj, this book is a danekaj means aneka,
அநேக
But this is same.
but this book and this book judge. So it looks like there is a patha bedam. Ja is also allowed and ka is also allowed. Okay, I am going to go with judge because that is our Paddhati's book.
दने
Dane judge.
How is it in your book there? That one?
This one
That one?
judge.
But there's no curve? Because this is the same book.
दने जगदीश्वरी
Oh yeah.
Okay. Dane dane judge jagadishwari.
दाने जगदीश्वरी दाने जगदीश्वरी
See, in this case, whether you use ka or ja, from a chanting perspective, sync perspective, there won't be a problem.
yeah.
Because it's a syllable. See, now you understand the technicalities of chanting. Whereas if you split it, there will be a problem. Even if you use the right word,
We are missing the timing here.
Yeah, Danik judge. Danik judge also is okay.
dane kaj, dane judge, dane kaj,
Ah, okay. Okay.
kaj judge.
Okay.
Okay, okay. Dha,
One more time.
Ah.
Dane judge.
yeah.
दने जग
Yeah.
Dha, ne, judge, jagadishwari.
He just now corrected us, right?
I only said both are okay, but it seems to be patha bedam.
No, Jajja we agreed, but there's some Jajja.
Judge, no.
Judge, judge. Dane judge jagadishwari.
Okay,
Dane Jagdishwar.
Correct. Correct.
Yeah. Okay. Edhamana prabha chaij dane jaj jagadishwari.
एधमान प्रभा चैज दाने जगदीश्वरी एधमान प्रभा चैज दाने जगदीश्वरी
4 times with me. 1, 2, 3, start.
एधमान प्रभा चैज दाने जगदीश्वरी एधमान प्रभा चैज दाने जगदीश्वरी एधमान प्रभा चैज दाने जगदीश्वरी एधमान प्रभा चैज दाने जगदीश्वरी
See, the dirghams are Edhamana prabha chaij dane jaj jagadishwari. Don't go dane jaj. Okay. Okay, both lines to Ekata Patra, both lines together 2 times, please. 1, 2, 3, start. Ekata Patra Samrajya Prada Chaikanta Pujita
एधमान प्रभा चैज दाने जगदीश्वरी एकादपत्र साम्राज्य प्रदा चैकान्त पूजिता एतमानप्रभा चैजतने जगदीश्वरी.
Good.
Can you repeat the two one more time?
Sure. 1, 2, 3, start. Ekatapatra samrajya prada chaikanta pujita etamana prabha chaijatane jagadishwari. All good? Next one. Ekaviradi sansevya. Ekaviradi sansevya. Hold the sun. Sansevya. Okay. Ekaviradi sansevya. Ekaviradi sansevya. Ekaviradi sansevya. Chaika Prabhavashalini, Chaika Prabhavashalini, Chaika Prabhavashalini. I've seen some people say Chaika Prabhavashalini,
I know.
but it's Prabhava, so it's like a googly, okay? Chaika Prabhavashalini, Chaika Prabhavashalini, Chaika Prabhavashalini, Ekaviradi sansevya, Chaika Prabhavashalini, Ekaviradi sansevya, Chaika Prabhavashalini, Ekaviradi sansevya,
Chaika Prabhavashalini.
huh?
For Ra there is Dirgham, no? Ek Viradi.
Eka.
Eka.
In Hindi you say ek. This is Sanskrit. Eka. Eka. Okay. Eka viradi sansevya chaika prabhavashalini. Eka viradi sansevya chaika prabhavashalini. Ekaviradi sansevya chaika prabhavashalini. 4 times with me. 1, 2, 3, start. Ekaviradi sansevya. Hold the sun. Sansevya. Don't go sansevya. Sansevya. Okay. 1, 2, 3, start.
Ekaviradi sansevya chaika
prabhavashalini. Ekaviradi sansevya chaika prabhavashalini. Ekaviradi sansevya chaika prabhavashalini. Ekaviradi sansevya chaika prabhavashalini. I just mentioned,
You did.
and even in Mahanyasam I mentioned, when it comes to Shiva Sankalpam, I said banana peels are there. Trambakam yidamahe sagandhim bhattevardhanam urvarukam vandana nritya mukti yama amrita.
కాదు తాత
That's the banana peel. Amrita.
Ma amrita. Tan me mana Shiva Sankalpam. And somebody said, hey, banana peel here, I will slip. What can I do?
That is so interesting, sir.
Interesting?
No, but this- Make
కాదు
it.
Okay. Just now I mentioned it is, many people say Prabhava. Prabhava.
Which saying, eh?
Okay. All good? Did we do both lines together?
இல்ல ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல தான முடிச்சிருக்கோம்.
Next one is Ekadarupa.
Oh. Okay, now we go to the second. Now, second line has got a Pathabedam, okay? In the book that I have, it is printed, which I have corrected. The printing is Ikara Rupans Cheshitri. Ikara Rupan, don't correct it. What I'm saying, what is in my book, but I've corrected to Ikara Rupini Shitri.
Rupini.
Ikara Rupini Shitri. Not Rupams Che Shitri.
That's what we have.
Ikara Rupini Ni Jirgam Shitri. 3 Jirgam. Okay?
Shitri, right?
Shitri.
3, yeah. Shitri, correct.
Okay. In fact, Rupams che, here it is Rupini. Okay.
Rupa Cheshitri was it.
Rupams, it is Rupams Cheshitri is what is there in the book. But it should be Ikara Rupini. I'm not saying it should be, there is a Patha Bedam. The one we are going to follow is Ikara Rupini Shatri.
It's Rupini, no?
Oh yeah, Rupini. Rupini. Okay?
Okay.
Ikara Rupini Shatri. 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 Chepsitartha Pradayini.
Chepsitartha Pradayini. Chepsitartha Pradayini.
All the ip. Chepsitartha Pradayini.
Chepsitartha Pradayini. Chepsitartha Pradayini.
Okay. Ikara Rupini Shatri. Chepsitartha Pradayini.
Ikara Rupini Shatri. Chepsitartha Pradayini. Ikara Rupini Shatri. Chepsitartha Pradayini. Ikara Rupini Shatri. Chepsitartha Pradayini. Ikara Rupini Shatri. Chepsitartha Pradayini.
4 times with me. 1, 2, 3, start.
Ikara Rupini Shatri. Chepsitartha Pradayini. Ikara Rupini Shatri. Chepsitartha Pradayini. Ikara Rupini Shatri. Chepsitartha Pradayini. Ikara Rupini Shatri. Chepsitartha Pradayini.
Good. Now both lines together 2 times, please. 1, 2, 3, start. Eka Viradi
Samsevya Chaika Prabhavashalini. Ikara Rupini Shatri. Chepsitartha Pradayini. Eka
Viradi Samsevya Chaika Prabhavashalini.
Ikara Rupini Shatri. Chepsitartha Pradayini.
2 more times, please. 1, 2, 3, start.
Eka Viradi Samsevya Chaika Prabhavashalini. Ikara Rupini Shatri. Chepsitartha Pradayini. Eka Viradi Samsevya Chaika Prabhavashalini. Ikara Rupini Shatri. Chepsitartha Pradayini.
Go back to the beginning. 1, 2, 3, start. Kakara Rupa Kalyani.
Kalyana Gunashalini. Kalyana Shaila Nilaya. Kamaniya Kalavati. Kamalakshi Kalmashagni. Karunamrita Sagara. Kadamba Kanana Vasa. Kadamba Kusuma Priya. Kandarpa Vidya. Kandarpa Janaka Panga Vikshana. Karpura Vidi Saurabhya Kallolita Kaguttana. Kalidoshahara Kanjalochana Kambra Vigraha. Karmadi Sakshini Karayitri Karma Palaprada. Ekara Rupa Chaikakshye Kane Kakshara Kriti. Etattaditya Nirdeshya Chaikananda Chidakriti. Eva Nityagama Bodhya Chaika Bhakti Madharchita. Ekagra Chitta Nirdhyata Chaishanarahita Drita. Ela Sugandhi Chikura Chaina Puta Vinashini. Eka Bhoga Chaika Rasa Chaika Ishwarya Pradayini. एकमात्र साम्राज्य प्रदा चैकान्तपूजिता एधमान प्रभा चैजधने जगदीश्वरी एकवीरादि संसेव्या चैकप्राभवशालिनी ईकाररूपिणी चित्री चेत्सितार्थप्रदायिनी.
Good. Now we come to number 10. Edrgetya vinirdeśya.
Edrgetya vinirdeśya. Edrgetya vinirdeśya.
Idhirgam. Edrgetya vinirdeśya.
Edrgetya vinirdeśya. Edrgetya vinirdeśya.
Cheshwaratva vidhayini.
Cheshwaratva vidhayini. Cheshwaratva vidhayini.
Edrgetya vinirdeśya. Cheshwaratva vidhayini.
Edrgetya vinirdeśya. Cheshwaratva vidhayini.
Edrgetya vinirdeśya. Cheshwaratva vidhayini. I'll say once again. Edrgetya vinirdeśya. Cheshwaratva vidhayini.
Edrgetya vinirdeśya. Cheshwaratva vidhayini. Edrgetya vinirdeśya. Cheshwaratva.
4 times with me.
Edrgetya vinirdeśya. Cheshwaratva vidhayini. Vinirdeśya. Cheshwaratva. Edrgetya vinirdeśya. Cheshwaratva vidhayini. Edrgetya vinirdeśya. Cheshwaratva vidhayini.
All good?
Yeah.
Ishanadip Brahmamayi.
Ishanadip Brahmamayi. Ishanadip Brahmamayi.
So it is not Brahma, Brahma. Ishanadip Brahmamayi.
Ishanadip Brahmamayi. Ishanadip Brahmamayi.
Ishanadip Brahmamayi.
Ishanadip Brahmamayi. Ishanadip Brahmamayi.
Good. Cheshitvadyashta siddhida.
Cheshitvadyashta siddhida. Cheshitvadyashta siddhida.
Cheshitvadyashta siddhida.
Cheshitvadyashta siddhida. Cheshitvadyashta siddhida.
Cheshitvadyashta siddhida. Cheshitvadyashta siddhida. Cheshitvadyashta siddhida. Cheshitvadyashta siddhida. Cheshitvadyashta siddhida. Cheshitvadyashta siddhida. That's why, sometimes people have been chanting for 30-40 years happily and then saying everything is secret, everything is secret. So there is no quality control, there is no quality test. End of the day, the person chanting and teaching also is not held to any quality control. Then what happens? The whole thing. Okay. Now, once you learn this, now go and check. You'll see all these details, how many people are noticing the details. Okay. Okay. Cheshitvadyashta siddhida. Cheshitvadyashta siddhida. Cheshitvadyashta siddhida. Ishanadip Brahmamayi. Cheshitvadyashta siddhida.
Ishanadip Brahmamayi. Cheshitvadyashta siddhida. Ishanadip ब्रह्ममयी चेषित्वाद्यष्टसिद्धिदा.
So if you don't follow the rules, you cannot chant. You cannot chant. You'll be like, slipping on ice. Ishanadi brahmamayi cheshitvadyashtasiddhida.
ईशानादि
Brahmamayi cheshitvadyashtasiddhida. Ishanadi brahmamayi cheshitvadyashtasiddhida.
ईशानादि
ब्रह्ममयी चेषित्वाद्यष्टसिद्धिदा. ईशानादि ब्रह्ममयी चेषित्वाद्यष्टसिद्धिदा. All good? Both lines together 2 times with me. 1, 2, 3, start. Edragitya vinirdyeshya cheshwaratva vidhayini. Ishanadi brahmamayi cheshitvadyashtasiddhida. Edra 1, 2, 3, start. Edragitya vinirdyeshya cheshwaratva vidhayini. Ishanadi brahmamayi cheshitvadyashtasiddhida. 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, start. Edragitya vinirdyeshya cheshwaratva vidhayini. Ishanadi brahmamayi cheshitvadyashtasiddhida. Edragitya vinirdyeshya cheshwaratva vidhayini. Ishanadi brahmamayi cheshitvadyashtasiddhida. Good. Go back to the beginning. 1. We are doing it along with the total. And then last 5 lines, last 5 slokas we'll do separately. From the beginning, please. 1, 2, 3, start.
Kakara rupa kalyani kalyana gunashalini kalyana shaila nilaya kamaniya kalavati kamalakshi kalmashakni karunamrita sadhara kadamba kananavasa kadamba kusuma priya Kandarpa vidya kandarpa janaka panga vikshana karpura viti saurabhya kallolita kakottata kalidoshahara kanjalochana kamra vigraha karmadi sakshini karayitri karma phala prada Ekara rupa chaikakshe kane kakshara kritihi Etattaditya nirdeshya chaikananda chidakritihi Evamityagama bodhya chaika bhakti madarchita Ekagrachitta nidhyata chaishanarahita drita Ela sugandhi chikura chaina kuta vinashini Eka bhoga chaika rasa chaika ishwarya pradayini Eka tapatra samrajya prada chaikanta pujita Etamana prabha chaija jane jajjagadishwari Eka viradi samsevya chaika prabhavashalini Ikara rupini shitri pradayini Edragitya vinirdeshya cheshwaratva vidhayini Ishanadi brahmamayi
This is not fair, madam.
What happened to you?
Why it's not
I made a
coming?
mistake. She's laughing
I'm
at me.
asking you for help and you're telling me no.
Stopping.
What is
Okay.
Is this fair?
How many banana peels will I point?
N number n into n minus 1 by 2.
Okay.
It's going on today.
So just mark it because
Yeah.
the thing is, certain times our eyes read it in a certain way and our brain follows because certain thing has been embedded. So our eye does not read fully.
Yeah, it assumes
When it
something.
sees something, our brain kicks in and says, "This is what it is," and it's wrong.
Correct.
You got to be very, very careful. That's why I say syllable chanting. Just look at the syllable. Don't look at anything else. Okay. Now, last two lines.
You said first last five.
Like this.
Now you
She
can.
started
No,
like
you
that
want this
after.
is what you want.
Yeah, I want this one.
Okay, because we have to do the Namavali for the till here. Okay. Edragetya vinirdeśya cheshwaratva vidhayini. Not e. Edragetya. 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 Papa, e dirgham. Edragetya. Do separate it. Edragetya. Don't hold the id. Idr. You are not doing id dirgham. You say idr. Idr. Not saying dirgham. Okay, just say e. Whatever you think you're saying long, double it. That is dirgham.
Now you can
You're thinking you're saying dirgham, but you're not saying that. Edragetya. Yeah. Vinirdeśya. Edragetya vinirdeśya. Cheshwaratva vidhayini. Ishanadi brahmamayi. Cheshitvadyashta siddhida. Cheshitvad. Che dirgham. Cheshitvad. Cheshitvad. Che dirgham. Cheshitvad. Cheshitvad. Dyashta. Cheshitvadyashta siddhida. You got it. Okay. Now we are going to do Namavali, okay? Yeah. I sent it in your telegram.
No.
Okay, all good?
You don't.
Om Aim Hrim Shrim.
Om Aim Hrim Shrim. Om Aim Hrim Shrim.
Kakarupayai Namaha.
Kakarupayai.
My mistake, sorry. Kakarupayai Namaha.
Kakarupayai Namaha. Kakarupayai Namaha.
You got a big banana peel, that's what I was saying.
He's just testing you, okay?
Meet my lawyer.
Lawyer.
Okay. Kakarupayai Namaha.
Kakarupayai Namaha. Kakarupayai Namaha.
Kalyanyai Namaha.
Kalyanyai Namaha. Kalyanyai Namaha.
Kalyana Gunashalinyai Namaha.
Kalyana Gunashalinyai Namaha. Kalyana Gunashalinyai Namaha.
Kalyana Shaila Nilayayai Namaha.
Kalyana Shaila Nilayayai Namaha. Kalyana Shaila Nilayayai Namaha.
Kamaniyayai Namaha.
Kamaniyayai Namaha. Kamaniyayai Namaha.
Kalavatyai Namaha.
Kalavatyai Namaha. Kalavatyai Namaha.
Kamalakshyai Namaha.
Kamalakshyai Namaha. Kamalakshyai Namaha.
Kalmashagnyai Namaha.
Kalmashagnyai Namaha. Kalmashagnyai Namaha.
Karunamritasagarayai Namaha.
Karunamritasagarayai Namaha. Karunamritasagarayai Namaha.
Kadambakananavasayai Namaha.
Kadambakananavasayai Namaha. Kadambakananavasayai Namaha.
Kadambakusumapriyayai Namaha.
Kadambakusumapriyayai Namaha. Kadambakusumapriyayai Namaha.
Kandarpavidyayai Namaha.
Kandarpavidyayai Namaha. Kandarpavidyayai Namaha.
Kandarpavidyayai कन्दर्पजनकापाङ्गवीक्षणायै नमः
कन्दर्पजनकापाङ्गवीक्षणायै नमः कन्दर्पजनकापाङ्गवीक्षणायै नमः
कर्पूरवीटी सौरभ्यकल्लोलितककुप्तटायै नमः
कर्पूरवीटी सौरभ्यकल्लोलितककुप्तटायै नमः कर्पूरवीटी सौरभ्यकल्लोलितककुप्तटायै नमः
कलिदोषहरायै नमः
कलिदोषहरायै नमः कलिदोषहरायै नमः
कञ्जलोचनायै नमः
कञ्जलोचनायै नमः कञ्जलोचनायै नमः
कम्रविग्रहायै नमः
कम्रविग्रहायै नमः कम्रविग्रहायै नमः
कर्मादिसाक्षिण्यै नमः
कर्मादिसाक्षिण्यै नमः कर्मादिसाक्षिण्यै नमः
कारयित्र्यै नमः
कारयित्र्यै नमः कारयित्र्यै नमः
कर्मफलप्रदायै नमः
कर्मफलप्रदायै नमः कर्मफलप्रदायै नमः
एकाररूपायै नमः
एकाररूपायै नमः एकाररूपायै नमः
एकाक्षर्यै नमः
एकाक्षर्यै नमः एकाक्षर्यै नमः
एकानेकाक्षराकृत्यै नमः
एकानेकाक्षराकृत्यै नमः एकानेकाक्षराकृत्यै नमः
एतत्तदित्यनिर्देश्यायै नमः
एतत्तदित्यनिर्देश्यायै नमः एतत्तदित्यनिर्देश्यायै नमः
एकानन्दचिदाकृत्यै नमः
एकानन्दचिदाकृत्यै नमः एकानन्दचिदाकृत्यै नमः
एवमित्यागमाबोध्यायै नमः
एवमित्यागमाबोध्यायै नमः एवमित्यागमाबोध्यायै नमः
एकभक्तिमदर्चितायै नमः
एकभक्तिमदर्चितायै नमः एकभक्तिमदर्चितायै नमः
एकाग्रचित्तनिर्ध्यातायै नमः
एकाग्रचित्तनिर्ध्यातायै नमः एकाग्रचित्तनिर्ध्यातायै नमः
एषणारहिताधृतायै नमः
एषणारहिताधृतायै नमः एषणारहिताधृतायै नमः
एलासुगन्धिचिकुरायै नमः
एलासुगन्धिचिकुरायै नमः एलासुगन्धिचिकुरायै नमः
एनःकूटविनाशिन्यै नमः
एनःकूटविनाशिन्यै नमः एनःकूटविनाशिन्यै नमः
एकभोगायै नमः
एकभोगायै नमः एकभोगायै नमः
एकरसायै नमः
एकरसायै नमः एकरसायै नमः
एकैश्वर्यप्रदायिन्यै नमः
एकैश्वर्यप्रदायिन्यै नमः एकैश्वर्यप्रदायिन्यै नमः
एकातपत्रसाम्राज्यप्रदायै नमः
एकातपत्रसाम्राज्यप्रदायिन्यै नमः एकातपत्रसाम्राज्यप्रदायै नमः
एकान्तपूजितायै नमः
एकान्तपूजितायै नमः एकान्तपूजितायै नमः
एधमानप्रभायै नमः
एधमानप्रभायै नमः एधमानप्रभायै नमः
Okay. Ejadane Jagadishwaryai Namaha. Ejadane Jagadishwaryai Namaha.
Jagadishwaryai Namaha.
Ejadane Jagadishwaryai Namaha. Okay. Ejadane Jagadishwaryai Namaha. Ejadane Jagadishwaryai Namaha. Ejadane Jagadishwaryai Namaha. Ekaviradi Sansevyayai Namaha. Ekaviradi Sansevyayai Namaha. Ekaviradi Sansevyayai Namaha. Ekaprabhavashalinyai Namaha.
एकप्रभावशालिन्यै नमः एकप्रभावशालिन्यै नमः
Prabhava.
Prabha. Okay.
What more can I do?
Everyone. So just not just me, okay?
Ekaprabhavashalinyai Namaha.
एकप्रभावशालिन्यै नमः एकप्रभावशालिन्यै नमः
Ikararupenyai Namaha.
ईकाररूपिण्यै नमः ईकाररूपिण्यै नमः
Ishitriyai Namaha.
ईशित्र्यै नमः ईशित्र्यै नमः
Ipsitarthapradayinyai Namaha.
ईप्सितार्थप्रदायिन्यै नमः ईप्सितार्थप्रदायिन्यै नमः
Idrigitya Vinirdesyayai Namaha.
ईदृगित्य विनिर्देश्यायै नमः ईदृगित्य विनिर्देश्यायै नमः
Is this where we start? No. There's two more. Yeah.
I think we have some more.
No. Some more. Ishwararatva Vidhayinyai Namaha. Ishwaratva. No. Ishwaratva. Ishwaratva Vidhayinyai Namaha. Ishwaratva Vidhayinyai Namaha. Ishwaratva Vidhayinyai Namaha. Ishanadibrahmamayai Namaha.
ईशानादिब्रह्ममयै नमः
Ishanadibrahmamayai Namaha. Ishidvadyashtasiddhidayai Namaha. Ishidvadyashtasiddhidayai Namaha.
ईशित्वाद्यष्टसिद्धिदायै नमः
Ishidvadyashtasiddhidayai Namaha.
ईशित्वाद्यष्टसिद्धिदायै नमः ईशित्वाद्यष्टसिद्धिदायै नमः
Om. So this is where we did up to. Can I just have your pencil?
Yeah, this is where we do.
Prabhava.
Now, when you practice, don't go at a speed. I need clarity. You need clarity, so do it. Even if you become comfortable, don't pay attention to each syllable. The more attention you pay, when it comes to speed, you'll have more clarity. Got it?
Are you going to chant and give us?
50, 48.
Okay, thank you guys. We will
Or the
keep
usual,
practicing.
or the usual teaching?
Thank you. Keep practicing. Take care.
Are you going to give us? Or the usual?
Keep practicing. Take care.
Are you going to give us? Or the usual?